Hi guys, welcome back, and today I feel for some turkey neck, some curry turkey neck and bean. And a lot of us not so fond of turkey neck because it have this taste. If it's not cleaned up properly and not seasoned properly, it has this taste and this rawness to it. So guys, this is all of the thing that I've cleaned up off of the turkey neck to make sure that when I don't cook my curry turkey neck and my broad bean, I may use the Lasco broad bean because it's firm. Oh, see how the turkey neck clean and pretty? Yes man, I wash it with some vinegar and some lime. Season it and cook it. Burn my curry. May I tell you, that's the curry turkey neck and bean, yeah? Nice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.